First time I've had a soft pretzel since like 1998. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like the pizza combos. You remember the pizza combos? Good food, good mood. On Liberties, you too. So we have our ingredients, right? We have preheated the oven to 350, and we have added our Quest protein chips into the dry mixture. Now, Levi Harris, the author of this article on questnutrition.com, he said to use the ranch protein chips from Quest. But I wanted to try something a little different since I've never even tasted the loaded taco. Oh my gosh. So now we got the dry mix ready, and guess what? Boom. We're gonna microwave 30 seconds at a time. We're microwaving the cheese until it gets to the melted consistency. So it's getting doughy. Like, that's the cheese right there. So we gotta mix this up, and then we gotta roll this into 6 equally sized balls, and then we're gonna take those balls and make them into ropes. How in tarnation am I supposed to take this ball and turn it into a pretzel? So you just wanna roll it. Basically, I just take it in my hands, and I just roll it, right? Just roll it, and just keep rolling until you get, when you get a little bit smaller, that's when you get onto the tray, right? And you just keep rolling until it's like a rope. And then you make it into this lovely thing. You gotta feel it. It's questifying. It's electrifying. We are brushing the egg on my Quest hearts because then we are going to top them with something lovely Levi Harris of Quest Nutrition wrote.
Subscribe now.
These as a topping. Oh, this is gonna be so good. It's like a stuffed, gluten-free, questified pretzel. It's got no sugar. It's got so much cheese. And bippity, boppity, booyah! Woo! I can't wait to take it to the face. The moment of truth. Taking it to the face.
Subscribe now.
It tastes, you know what it tastes like? It tastes like the pizza combos. You remember the pizza combos? You can get all of my ingredients on Amazon Prime, fresh. And then also you can get all of my equipment that I use, my spatula, my whisk, everything you can get on Amazon. Also, I have this recipe is on not just my YouTube channel, but also on Whisk. And you can find the original guy, Levi Harris, on questnutrition.com, who wrote this. Thank you so much, Levi. And thank you, Quest. Good food, good mood. On Liberties, you too.